So hey YouTube. Alright, so look, I figured I'd make this video because I searched and searched and searched and it took me some time to find the right mufflers for this 883 I've got. I ordered Vance and Hines and had some problems. Well, number one, they wanted $800 for the stupid things, $400 for each muffler. And then they sent me the wrong ones. They sent me pipes for a Dyna. So anyway, I sent them back, and I decided to go Bassani, and really glad I did because, man, they are, number one, there's no cats. It's a straight through flow exhaust, just like the old Rush used to be. Very well made. Don't have to fuck around with any heat shields. There ain't no heat shields. It's just the whole thing ceramic coated, and it's heavy duty. So anyway, get you a little look at these things. You can see the diameter of the material, and that's not just the end cap. That's all the way through like that. Much better looking pipe. No heat shield to screw around with there. And it bolts right up to the stock mount. Okay, so sure everybody wants to know how they sound. So here we go. Oh, we're back about 10 feet. Alright, so that was so high flow it blew the dang phone over. Anyway, we're inside the garage now. I don't know. I always try to do the sound check outside, but it sounded a little bit thin. I mean, these things are really throaty, and it just does it a little more justice.